everyone, welcome back. Here is a video of all the stuff we ate in the Netherlands. I started getting ready and then headed over to this place called Lunch Break. I don't know if I pronounced that right. They had fresh orange juice. I also got a chicken sandwich with spicy nacho sauce on the side. My husband got an acai bowl and we shared a stack of pancakes. Then we headed over to this jewelry store that had the cutest cat. I guess this cat is really well known and even has his own Facebook page.
He just feels when it's 4 o'clock, then he goes.
We came across this planter that was so cute. I had to take it home. This place had so many house decorations, and also their cute little puppy was just walking around. Looked around at the other clothing stores so we could get a nice outfit. I did buy some jewelry from the first stop that we went to. This beautiful ring and this other ring that has 2 stones to it, so you can just flip it over depending on your outfit. I wanted to show you too how the Airbnb looked like because it was beautiful. It was tiny but cozy and it was decorated so nicely, and it was in the most perfect area with the restaurants, bars, coffee shops, and we really enjoyed our stay here. Here I'm just showing you my earrings and my makeup. We had to walk 4 minutes down to the train station. This morning we were heading to Amsterdam Central. The train ride was around 30 minutes to get there. When we got there, we got some fries and made our way to the Anne Frank Museum. The Anne Frank Museum was definitely a place to go to and see history. It was very emotional. You weren't allowed any photography or video, so we headed to the bar afterwards and just talked about the museum for a bit. We hung out and listened to some really good music that they had at the bar. We had some appetizers and got Italian food here downtown because we were really hungry. The next day we had lunch at this place called The Corner. We had a matcha and turmeric tea. We had a steak sandwich with fries, which were all very good. My sister got a burger. Spent a good majority of the day just hanging out at the beach. We ate some fruit and collected some seashells. These were the ones we collected that we thought were so cool. And these I got from my little sister because it was so little. This was so cool right here. It was actually free sunscreen, which I've never seen before at a beach. For dinner, we stopped by at our new favorite sushi spot. Here is the place, and it is right next to the water. We had smoothies, we had beer, we had a lot of appetizers. I got a plate of scallops too. These clips right here are of 2 days, so all this food was within 2 visits. I just put it all together. The food was delicious. We had to come back. I got fried rice balls, and this is beef tartare, which was my first time trying it. It was actually really good. My favorite 2 sushi rolls that I got would have to be the far left one, which was the crunchy salmon, and then the one on the very right, which was the truffle tuna, I believe. This was our dessert here. It had the mango smoothie, it had mochi, and this one was my little sister's, which she really enjoyed as well. After dinner, we enjoyed the evening at a local festival that was happening. We were having some drinks and listening to music. They had a couple of vendors there as well, but we didn't get any food. We just enjoyed the music. Here's me and my little sister again. And we spent the whole afternoon there and headed back to the Airbnb to get some rest. before we left, I really wanted to try the sandwiches in this place because they had really good reviews. When we stopped by there, they had some really good cheese, nuts, and sausages. This truffle cheese right here was definitely my favorite. We got a couple blocks, and here are the nuts that they had available. We also got some little dessert balls that they make there in the house. And this was my sandwiches that I got. It was a warm toasted chorizo with parmesan, and I don't know what else it had. I think it had mozzarella. But here's me giving a little review. Mine is so good and warm.
That shit fire.
And the bread is toasty. It's the chorizo with mozzarella and pesto. We'll see. $5 commissary sandwich fee.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
What does it filled with? Chocolate?
It's so good. I don't know if it's chocolate, caramel. I don't know what it's filled with, but it's so good. After we had food, we headed to a cheese farm, of course, to look at the animals, buy some cheese, and I wanted to see their wooden tulips as well. At this cheese farm, you can reserve a place for parties, you can make cheese, and I think they have other activities like shoemaking. I'm not too sure about that one. We did see all the cute animals and the different cheeses. This one is a Heineken cheese, and all the souvenirs right here. We did get a couple of souvenirs for my family back home, and cheese that we still haven't ate, by the way. But here are the beautiful shoes. I thought about getting some, but I knew I wouldn't wear them anywhere. Here are the beautiful animals, and we walked around the farm for a little bit. It was really fun feeding the animals and just hanging out here to end our mini vacation.